Welcome to Tax Central. In this video, we will learn to prepare cash flow statement of a company. We will use this balance sheet data to prepare cash flow statement. So, this is the format of cash flow statement here. We will calculate cash flow from operating activity, investing activity, and financing activity. First, we will put data in operating activity. Let's put profit before tax and extraordinary items from profit and loss account. Then add back non-cash items from this balance sheet, like depreciation and finance cost are non-cash items. Now we have operating profit before working capital change. For adjustment of working capital change, the rule is, if current liabilities increase from previous year, we need to add the difference of increase because cash is saved, and if current liabilities decrease, that means we have paid our liabilities, so we need to less the difference of decrease. Similarly, if current assets increase from previous year, we need to less the difference of increase because cash is blocked in current assets. And if current assets decrease, that means cash is received, so we need to add the difference of decrease. Next, we put the tax paid amount. Since we pay last year tax in current year, we will reduce the amount of last year tax paid given in P&L account. We have net cash flow generated from operating activity. The cash flow from investing activities is derived by adding all the cash inflows from the sale or maturity of assets and subtracting all the cash outflows from the purchase or payment for new fixed assets or investments. Here we will refer depreciation chart to see if there is any addition or deduction of fixed assets. Here we can see we have purchased assets during the year that results in outflow of cash, so we will reduce this amount in our cash flow statement. Cash flows from financing activities are the cash paid and received from activities with non-current or long-term liabilities and shareholders' capital. If non-current or long-term liabilities increase, that means we have received cash, therefore we will add the amount of increase and vice versa if there is decrease. Since there is no change in share capital, we will leave that blank. Finance cost added to the net profit under cash from operating activities to avoid double counting as we deduct it to arrive at net profit. And then we deduct it as a cash outflow under cash from financing activities. It is considered under cash flow from financing activity because it brings change in our capital structure. In long-term borrowing amount increased from last year, so we will add the amount. Finally, we will put the opening and closing cash and bank balance. Difference between opening and closing balance of cash and bank will be the net change in cash and should be equal to total of cash flow from all three activity. That's it. Our cash flow statement is prepared. Thanks for watching. Like if you find our video useful and subscribe for more video like this.